Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of the 2024 Triumph Scrambler 400X. Let's take a closer look at what makes this bike a standout in its class. Born into a peerless bloodline, the Speed 400 joins Triumph's most successful modern classic lineup, the Speed Twin 900 and 1200, while the Scrambler 400X takes its rugged design cues from the Scrambler 900 and 1200, with an off-road pedigree that goes back to the first factory Scramblers of the 1950s. At the heart of the Scrambler 400X is a robust DOHC, liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine. With 4 valves and a displacement of 398 cubic centimeters, this engine is designed to deliver both power and efficiency. The engine boasts an impressive bore and stroke of 89.0 by 64.0 millimeters and a compression ratio of 12.0 to 1. This combination results in a claimed horsepower of 39.5 horsepower at 8,000 RPM and a torque of 27.7 lb-ft at 6,500 RPM, providing a thrilling ride whether you're on or off the road. Equipped with a Bosch electronic fuel injection system and electronic throttle control, the Scrambler 400X ensures smooth and responsive power delivery. The wet, multi-plate slipper/assist clutch, which is cable actuated, adds to the bike's user-friendly nature, making it ideal for a variety of riding conditions. The hybrid spine/perimeter tubular steel frame with a bolt-on rear subframe provides a sturdy yet flexible structure. Front suspension features a 43mm inverted big piston fork with 5.9 inches of travel, while the rear suspension includes a gas monoshock with an external reservoir and adjustable spring preload, also offering 5.9 inches of travel. This setup is designed to handle both rugged trails and urban environments with ease. Safety and control are paramount on the Scrambler 400X, with a 4-piston radial caliper and a 320mm fixed disc with ABS for the front brake, and a floating caliper with a 230mm fixed disc with ABS for the rear. The bike rolls on cast aluminum wheels, 19 by 2.5 inches at the front and 17 by 3.5 inches at the rear, fitted with Metzeler Karoo tires, ensuring excellent grip and stability. The Scrambler 400X features a rake of 23.2 degrees and a trail of 4.25 inches, contributing to its agile handling. With a wheelbase of 55.8 inches, a seat height of 32.9 inches, and a fuel capacity of 3.4 gallons, this bike is both compact and practical. The claimed wet weight of 395 pounds ensures it's manageable for a wide range of riders. Whether you're carving through city streets or exploring off-road trails, the 2024 Triumph Scrambler 400X delivers an exceptional riding experience. Its blend of performance, versatility, and iconic styling makes it a true contender in the Scrambler category. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content on the latest motorcycles. Ride safe and see you next time.